Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to take a break on Instagram. For example, you are spending lot of time in Instagram and you have no idea how much time you are spending in Instagram. So you can decide as a take a break like a 20 minute, 30 minute, 40 minute, 1 hour, and accordingly automatically Instagram log out and you can do another work. So what exactly process and how to take a break features active on your Instagram application? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply move forward as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open here Instagram application. Here is my Instagram. If you are not following me in Instagram, you can please follow me here. In my Instagram ID is Research Rocks. So simply click here in the three line. After clicking the three lines, setting option. Inside the setting option, search menu is available. You just simply type here time spent and search. So look at this, manage your time, and this is a time on Instagram. My average daily time is 1 hour 10 minutes. It's huge amount of time I'm spending on Instagram. This is not good for me. So here, manage your time, set a reminder to take a break, set daily time limit or notification setting. So first option you can select here, first option, and you can choose 10, 20 or 30 minutes. So accordingly I select here 30 minutes, half an hour every day, and then take a break for 24 hours, and then again set a limitation of per daily. Automatically comes here in 30 minutes. You can extend this time limit 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, accordingly your uses. Notification point of view, here all notifications are off. You can on here just only 15 minutes after decided timeline. So such kind of features are available here in the time on Instagram. You can fix out, take a break, set a daily time using these tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.